Y yo la hago. Chuchas. Estamos en la parte número 12 de The Walking Dead. Como vimos, Ana acabó de matar a un hombre. Que what the fuck? What the fuck? O sea... Oh... No, 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 no. Vale. Este tipo está loco.
Here it is, St. John's Family Dairy. Y'all can see how we kept this place so safe.
The fence keeps them out?
You betcha. They fry like bugs in a zapper. We're pushing 4,000 volts through that thing, with generators and amps.
I'm going to assume that's a lot.
Tremenda casa tan bonita y pidiéndonos gasolina. Vea eso.
Ever have any accidents?
Nah, it's safer here than out there.
This place looks untouched. You never know the rest of the world is in ruins.
It's worth protecting. Hence all the juice.
I thought I saw y'all with company coming down the drive.
Guys, this is our motto.
I'm Brenda St. John, and welcome to the St. John Dairy.
This here's Lee. He's from Macon.
A couple of our old farmhands were from Macon. They grow 'em good there.
They got a few more friends staying at the old motel.
Oh my goodness, that place is pretty vulnerable. Have you got someone with survival experience to lead your group?
Trabajamos juntos.
We all work together. Plus, we've got plenty of people with military experience.
Well, that's good to hear. That motel ain't the safest place. Now that y'all are here, we'll make sure you're safe and comfortable.
Eso fuerte porque
Does the offer apply to the rest of us?
We're all incredibly hungry.
These are for y'all. Baked fresh this morning.
Amazing.
Can't get stuff like that anymore. Not without a cow for milk and butter, that's for sure.
That's right. Hopefully Maybelle will make it through this bout of whatever she's got and be with us for a good long while.
Your cow is sick? What's she?
We have a vet, but we could bring her here. We can help you folks out.
A
Oh.
vet? Oh my! Our prayers have been answered.
Maybe our whole group could come for the day.
Well, how about this? Y'all go get your veterinary friend and I'll prepare some dinner.
Sí, 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 sí.
It'd be nice to have some folks to help out around here again. Danny, why don't you come help me out in the kitchen?
Why don't I
Vale.
head back with the food and round up everyone for the trip over here?
Might want to take someone with you. Remember, those roads can be dangerous.
I can handle myself.
Take this. Why don't you go ahead and take Ben along and
Take care of yourself, Lee.
Vale,
See you in a
vale.
while.
Sí.
Mark, Lee, why don't you take a look around? Once you get settled
Una
in,
vez que
I
estés
can use
sentados
some help
por-
securing the perimeter.
Is there a problem?
Sometimes the dead get tangled up in the fence before they fry and end up knocking over a post. It'd be a big help if you could walk the perimeter. You
Vale.
can learn a little something about our fence. I'm gonna go top off the generators before they run dry. Come get me when you're ready.
You betcha. This place is incredible. It's got food. And that fence? Oh man, that fence.
Sí.
If all cards right, this might turn out to be a place we can stay. So how do you want to play it?
¿Cómo quieres jugar? ¿Cómo así? Vamos a asegurarnos de qué lugar es seguro.
Think about bringing our whole group here to stay. We need to figure out if this place is as safe as they're telling us.
Sí, sí.
Right. Obviously they think it's safe. But is it safe enough for the kids? I noticed a broken swing over there. Not a big deal, but maybe there's other things not working that we just can't see.
And checking the fence perimeter sounds like a decent way to get a good look at their defenses.
Alright, I'll keep my eyes open.
Vale.
You find out what you can from Andy.
Ay, ¿por qué yo solo? A inspeccionar. Vale.
Uy,
Hola.
Well, I'm glad you guys decided to help us out. I noticed back at the motel that you folks are pretty well armed. Been stockpiling, huh?
Vamos a ayudar a proteger la lechería.
Yeah, if you need some extra people to protect the dairy, you can count on us.
Well, hopefully it'll never come to that, but thanks.
La cerca
An
tiene los
electric
caminantes.
fence is enough to keep out walkers?
Walkers? Is that what you call them? That's good. The old one wouldn't have,
Pero
but
Mac
Mac,
era
who's
nuestro
our foreman,
capataz.
he figured out how to amp it up with the generators. We used to sit out here some nights and watch the sons of bitches sizzle and pop when they got too close. Closest thing to entertainment these days, I guess.
These generators are enough to power the whole dairy?
We got lots. We gotta keep trading for fuel as much as we can, but they all work together to do the trick.
Vale.
Like us.
Bebé. Somos los primeros invitados.
We can't be the first people you've invited up to the dairy.
Well, no, we've made similar deals with other folks, trading for gas and food, but ultimately they moved on, looking for the people they lost contact with.
Vale, vamos a fijar el perímetro.
I can help you with that perimeter now.
Oh, good. The fence will stop a walker in about 3 or 4 seconds, but gets overloaded if we leave the husks out there.
You know, Mark and I can clear the fence ourselves if you want to stay here and finish up with the generators.
Well, that'd be great. I'll turn off the northwest section, and if you guys could strip them off and look for any weak points, well, that'd be a big help.
Sounds easy
Tranquila.
enough.
Stay attentive. You never know.
Nunca se sabe, listo.
So how's the place looking? Is it safe enough for us to stay? If we can?
It's pretty amazing what they've done with this dairy, but let's see what it takes to secure this fence before drawing any conclusions.
I can't wait until everyone's out here. Everyone besides Larry.
Why the hell did you have to tell him I thought he was a
Vale.
racist? As if tensions weren't high enough.
Sorry, man. It popped out. I mean, you did admit it right to his face.
Va a ser miércoles.
Piece of shit anyway.
Relax. You're not making things any better riling them up.
Vale. Ah. Oh.
There's one. Ugh. Lee, it's dead.
Come on, let's push it off. Looks like he's stuck.
Cojamos esto.
Disgusting.
Asqueroso. Empujar. Ah, toca sacarle la flecha.
Come on. I'm sure there's still a few more.
Once this fence is patched up, this place will be a fortress. God, can you imagine not having to worry about the walkers anymore?
Necesita gente para defenderlo,
Fortress
sí.
needs people to defend it.
We've got enough people. So what's your take on the brothers? They seem to have this place tied down pretty well.
¿Qué quieres decir?
What do you mean by that?
I don't know. They seem decent enough. I just want you to know that I've got your back if anything goes down. That's all.
Thanks.
Gracias, amigo, gracias. Otro.
I see it.
Corta. Falta la otra. Córtala. Y las
Never
manos.
get used to the smell, do you?
Nope.
Nope. Vale, quedó un asco.
Can't stop thinking about dinner. Would have been nice to get some of those rations. I get hungry too, you know.
¿Cuál?
Just try to focus on the task.
They knew what they were doing, teasing us with food and then giving us chores.
Having a good meal will be worth it.
Sí, es verdad.
Come on, I think I see where they're getting in. This one must have knocked it over trying to get through. He's tangled up in there pretty good. Come on, help me get this thing back in place so we can get Mr. Crispy off of here.
Think we'd get better leverage from the other side.
Good idea.
Vale.
Little help here, Lee?
Chuchas.
If you're waiting for that guy to help, it ain't gonna happen. Come on.
Vámonos. Ah, no. Hagamos esto, amigo. Vale.
Holy fuck! What just happened?
The fences are on.
Why the hell would he turn the fence on? He knows we're out here.
What the? Get to the gate. Get down.
Jesus!
¿Qué?
Who the fuck is that?
No idea.
Fuck. Now what?
With the fence on that gate, it's our only way out.
Lee, hurry up.
Vale, esto servirá.
Stop shooting!
Vale.
Come on. If we can reach the gate, we can get through this fence and back to the house.
Give it to
No.
What happened?
Shit. It's one of the dead we pushed down earlier. Gonna have to move him. Leave us the fuck alone!
Ya, he descubierto. Oh, chucha. Vámonos. El tractor me salvará. El tractor me salvará. Chuchas. No. Oh, qué asco.
You okay?
Yeah. Barely.
Come on. The gate's right there.
No, se vino. Vale.
Another one? How many of those things did we push down?
Vale, hasta aquí llega el video de hoy, ya que nos han podido matar y listo. Solo eso, y les recomiendo que se suscriban. Chao.